Welcome back to Pente Spotlight. I'm Grace, your data safety and compliance expert, here to ask, when tech jumps too far ahead, are we ready to keep up?
And I'm Joshua, your excited tech buddy. And today's topic is a big one. Google's new quantum chip, Willow, just showed something called verifiable quantum advantage. It sounds like a superhero move, and honestly, it kind of is.
So Willow isn't just a regular chip. It has 105 qubits, tiny quantum bits that behave like super talented, super confusing particles. And get this, it solved a problem that could take a normal supercomputer thousands of years in just minutes.
That's like asking someone to solve a 1,000-piece puzzle and they finish before you even open the box. Willow is basically built to do tasks normal computers would cry about.
But here's where I push back. Solving extremely difficult math is cool, but how soon does this help real people? Doctors, students, anyone who isn't a particle spinning in two directions at once?
True. Right now, it's a breakthrough step, not a change your daily life tomorrow moment. Engineers still need to fix errors, scale hardware, and make quantum computers stable enough for real-world use.
Exactly. And with big power comes big responsibility. When a system does things we can't verify with regular computers, we need strong rules, tests, and transparency. Otherwise, you can't audit or trust it properly.
But my takeaway? This is huge. Google proved quantum computers can outperform classical ones in a real, checkable way. It's early, but it shows the future isn't sci-fi anymore. It's happening.
And mine, cautious excitement. Willow shows what's possible, but we must grow the tech with safety, fairness, and accountability guiding every step.
And that wraps today's Pente Spotlight. Like, comment, subscribe, and share, because understanding big tech leaps is way more fun when we explore them together.
Thanks for listening. Stay curious, stay safe, and keep watching this quantum journey unfold.
Until next time, stay sharp, stay excited, and remember, even the smartest quantum chip still needs humans to keep it on track.